So today we will study the clustering techniques. It is unit 5 of data science subject. Now clustering techniques, it is a kind of unsupervised learning algorithm in which a data set is grouped into unique differentiated clusters. Let's say we have customer data spanning 1,000 rows. Using clustering, we can group the customers into separate clusters or segments based on the variable. In case of customer data, the variables can be the demographic information or purchasing activity. So area-wise, we can divide the customer, or we can divide the customer based on the purchasing habit. Clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm because the input is unknown to the data scientist and no training set is available to pre-train a model for the solution. So we can find out a solution from the given input. Now, hierarchical clustering. Hierarchical is a method of cluster analysis whereby we build a hierarchy of cluster. This works well for data sets that are complex and have distinct characteristics for separated cluster of data. The following would be an example. People on budget are more attracted to your sales items such as multi-buy combination, while more prosperous shoppers are more brand oriented. So these are two clearly different clusters with poles apart, deriving forces to buy one item. So some people may go with multiple combination of items that are offered, but some people may only purchase the branded items. So these are two different clusters. We can divide them into two different groups and then we can study their purchasing patterns. Now, agglomeratic clustering. This is a bottom-up approach. Each observation starts in its own cluster and pairs of cluster are merged as one moves up the hierarchy. Divisive cluster, this is top-down approach. All observations start in one cluster and split are performed recursively as one moves down the hierarchy. So this is a hierarchical cluster. Partitioning cluster. A partitioning cluster is simply a division of a set of data objects into non-overlapping subsets or clusters such that each data object is exactly one set. Remember, you were at school. During breaks, you played games. You would only belong to either blue team or the red team. Now, this is how the clustering look like because we are having different options. So they are divided into different clusters. So like customers are divided into different groups. So this is the estimated number of cluster. Here is 5. And locational cluster, here what we can do is based on customer location, we can identify and divide them into clusters. Now, ANOVA, we will study in the next video. Thank you.